Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're unboxing the Boult Y1 Zen ENC Earbuds. I got these from Flipkart for just Rs 900 on an offer. I'll drop the purchase link in the description for your convenience. The box looks really cool, with a picture of the earbuds on the front. It has the Boult branding and mentions features like Zen ENC for crystal clear calls and high battery life. On the back, it highlights environmental noise cancellation, water resistance, dual master capability, Bluetooth connectivity, and the Boult X bass driver. Let's not wait any longer and get right into the unboxing. First up, we have some paper manuals. Make sure to read them for any important info. I'll set these aside for now. Here's the Type-C charging cable, which is great for fast charging. And here's the case for the earbuds. It's compact and lightweight, which is perfect for me since I jog a lot. It can easily fit in my pocket without weighing me down. Finally, here are the earbuds. They look a bit cheaper compared to the images on Flipkart, but at this price point, I guess it's okay. The case has a satisfying click when you close it, and there's the charging port on the back. Now, let's pair these earbuds and test the sound. I'll go to Bluetooth settings on my phone and look for Boult Audio Airbase. The earbuds blink white, but nothing's happening. It shows up on Bluetooth, but it won't connect. I've tried putting the earbuds back in the case, turning Bluetooth on and off, restarting my phone, and even using another phone, but nothing's working. This is really frustrating. After several attempts, I tried resetting the earbuds by pressing both for 5 seconds, charged them for a few minutes, and finally got them connected. Now, let's play some music and see how they perform. They feel comfortable to wear and seem perfect for running and long calls. But here's the big issue. Only one side of the earbuds is working. This is so disappointing. How could Boult let this happen? It's a brand new product, yet it has such poor quality control. The audio quality isn't great either, especially with only one earbud working. Honestly, I'm not impressed with Boult. This is my first time trying their earbuds, and given their high rating, I expected better. These have a 4.8 star rating, but I wouldn't recommend them. I'll be returning these and probably go for Realme or another reliable brand. Stay tuned for my next unboxing and review. I'd give these Boult earbuds a 1 out of 10. Sorry, Boult. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.